Radio check.
Radio check, good.
And transponder 1200 standby, clear. Taxi up to open area clear, recent ATIS.
Long Beach ground, crew track 201, enter 261.
Shuttle parking. Digit 478, cross runway 26 left, no delay, then Foxtrot parking.
In 1906, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 21, dew point 13, altimeter 3006, ILS runway 30 approaching use, runway 30 arrivals, and runway 26 left, tower frequency 119.4, runway 30 departures, and runway 26 right, tower frequency 120.5, all departing aircraft contact lunch, deliver product taxi on 118.15 with position and departure point, ground traffic on 133.0. Line and hold short operations effect. Note on bird advisory in effect. Runway 30 approach flight system out of service. Range 0.2 miles northeast of Long Beach 101 feet AGL. Range 0.4 miles west of Long Beach 161 feet AGL. Practice approaches are suspended. Traffic pattern is limited. And limited VFR services from SoCal departure. Advise on his contact your information. Alpha.
26 right, via Kilo, 0 Bravo.
Long Beach Airport information, Alpha 2153 Zulu observation, wind 1906, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 21, dew point 13, altimeter 3006, ILS runway 30 approach in use, runway 30 arrivals.
After Cessna 26 left, via Foxtrot, crew track 201.
Altimeter set clear, and taxi instruction. Good. Long Beach clearance, Cessna 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Flying Club, request taxi runway 26 left with Alpha.
Cessna 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach clearance, contact ground.
Contact ground 272 Whiskey Charlie. Long Beach ground, Cessna 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Flying Club, request taxi runway 26 left, need run up.
Number 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach ground. Wait for Cessna on Foxtrot. They're going into Maverick. After them, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
Wait for Cessna, and after Cessna, go to Maverick. Runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot, 272 Whiskey Charlie.
Number 6295 Delta, Long Beach ground. What's your request?
Foxtrot, sir, we can taxi to Long Beach Flying Club.
Number 6295 Delta, wait for the Diamond Star, and they use the right side of Foxtrot, taxi via the right side, so Long Beach Flying Club.
Taxi via Foxtrot, right side, wait for Diamond Star, 905 Delta.
Thank you. Number 2 Whiskey Charlie, once you're on Foxtrot, use the right side of Foxtrot for a Cessna opposite direction. After them, center line approved.
Yep. Right side Foxtrot till after Cessna, then center line, 2 Whiskey Charlie.
Thank you. Number 95 Delta, after the Cessna passes, off your left, center line approved.
Go.
Say again, 905 Delta.
And disregard 95 Delta, just continue, that's fine. Right side's fine.
Continue, right side.
You're being hit?
Foxtrot, 905
Yep,
Delta.
right side.
Right side.
Ground, flying 241 Tango Delta at Juliet 4, taxi back jet 0.
Number 241 Tango Delta, Long Beach ground, taxi to via Juliet at Delta 4, hold short, up runway 30.
Taxi Juliet to Delta 4, hold short 30, 241 Tango Delta.
Long Beach ground, November 632, 7 X-ray, run complete.
Number 37 X-ray, wait for the Diamond Star, then continue taxi.
Waited for the diamond, and I'll continue taxi, runway 26 left, 37 X-ray.
Ground out 27.
Op 27 C-130 from the south side.
You got it.
I knew it.
That's why I'm down here.
Magneto
Alpha 9418, clear runway 26 left on Foxtrot 3, taxi back to Maverick.
94118, Long Beach ground, after the Cessna, taxi via Foxtrot on Maverick.
After Cessna, Foxtrot, via to Maverick, 9418.
Congrats.
Dang.
Complete. Yeah. Wow. Ahoy. Oh, very cool.
Palm Beach ground, Cessna November 919 Tango Alpha at ATB parking, requesting taxi to 26 left, run up air for engine maintenance.
Number 1 Tango Delta, Delta 4, cross runway 30, then taxi via Lima Hotel, Jet 0.
Cross runway 30, then continue Lima Hotel to Jet 0, 1 Tango Delta. Thank you.
You're welcome. Who else called before that?
Cessna November 919 Tango Alpha at ATB parking, requesting taxi to 26 left, run up air for engine maintenance.
Number 919 Tango Alpha, Long Beach ground, taxi via Foxtrot to the run-up area.
Parking brake set.
Taxi at Foxtrot 919 Tango Alpha, thank
1000. Cabin door.
Palm Beach
And
ground,
windows
convoy
closed.
3764, left off my field, request taxi to
Convoy 3764, Long Beach ground, taxi via Delta, Echo, Juliet, then into Atlantic.
Thank you. And flight control free and correct. Right.
Long Beach ground, Cherokee 90260 Tango off 26 left, Foxtrot 5 for Long Beach Flying Club.
Cherokee 90260 Tango, Long Beach ground, taxi via Foxtrot to parking, good day.
Foxtrot to the club, good day.
Clear.
Sure, Tango.
Rotor test. Clear. And first select the brake post. Clear. Extra reach. Elevator trim takeoff. Takeoff? Yep. And throttle 1700. Magnet to test. Pause. Right. Pause. Left. Pause. Clear. Carburetor. Clear. Oil temperature and pressure. Green arc. Suction gauge green arc. Ammeter alternator test. Clear. Throttle 1000.
Convoy 3764, as you're making the right turn onto Juliet, you'll see a vehicle out there going to guide you in.
Check and set. Clear.
3764, follow me,
Clear. Clear.
Yeah, that's 277. Just duck out of the way once we get over here. Marshaller's going to want us closer towards the...
Coming left, check and set. Clear.
All right, Convoy, you hear that?
Left, set your clear.
Say again for Convoy?
Yeah, just once you're making a right turn, you just watch out for that marshal. He's going to guide you in, down, and I think they want you close to the building.
And brake release.
Convoy 3764, we'll watch out for the marshaller and follow the directions to close to the building.
Number 6741, Long Beach ground, see your request.
Let's go back 26 left, 41.
Number 421, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot. Number 81, Bravo Victor, Long Beach ground, what is your request?
Long Beach ground, Cessna 726 Charlie, runway complete.
Number 2 Whiskey Charlie, continue your taxi.
Continue taxi to 726 Charlie.
Beach ground, swing A1 Bravo Victor, clear 265 Kilo 2 taxi back Jet 0.
Number 81 Bravo Victor, Long Beach ground, taxi via Kilo Charlie Lima Hotel, Jet 0.
0 via Kilo Charlie Lima Hotel, 1 Bravo Victor, thanks. Long Beach ground, crew track 201, run up complete.
Crew track 201, continue your taxi.
Continuing taxi, crew track 201.
Long Beach ground, 45143. Clear district strike going through taxi millionaire north.
Number 45143, Long Beach ground, taxi via Kilo Millionaire, good day.
No, I'll do a soft first. Departing via Kilo 143, good day.
Ground 131,
What?
signature, taxi 26 left on the run.
I choose.
Plan 31,
Soft field
runway 26
takeoff.
left, taxi via
Soft
Foxtrot.
spray.
Yeah, soft field
26
takeoff.
left, 31.
Cessna 431, pass behind the Cessna, outbound the run-up.
So set flaps 10.
I
said above, please, Flight Echo above 1,500.
Above 1,500 is Flight Echo.
Number 37 X-ray, there's a Cessna at 12 o'clock 1 mile, they're not listening to me at 1,200, they're joining the downwind.
Number Tower Cessna 2736 Charlie, holding just runway 26 left, request make left traffic.
When I give a traffic call, don't answer unless I'm giving it to you, please. November 37 X-ray, traffic heading to your left 1,400, enter the downwind for Cessna.
Traffic is 526
That's 48 Echo, extend down.
Extend downwind 48 Echo.
November 07 Kilo, and what did you need?
I need a left 270, but I can wait 07 Kilo.
Yeah, just wait, please. November 48 Echo, you can descend now.
Descend down 48 Echo. I call one more time?
Wait.
Okay.
You're holding short of 26 left, say again.
Cessna 272 Whiskey Charlie, close traffic.
272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Tower. Left close traffic, approved runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, 2 Whiskey Charlie.
November 07 Kilo, and you said you needed a 270, you go north-south?
Affirmative. North-south, it's 2 miles west of the river. If we can take it
Wind,
south,
right?
we'll exit the airspace at the end of that 07 Kilo.
November 07 Kilo, that is approved. There's traffic at 12 o'clock, 2 miles, and they're turning southbound at 1,400. For now, just stay on the east side of the river. SSO will be on the other side, 1,500 to your left.
Roger, we're looking for traffic. We'll stay east of the river, 07 Kilo.
November 37 X-ray, traffic heading to your left is going to be on the east side of the river.
Forward.
That's not 1,000.
Forward.
Forward. Speed of light.
Forward.
Forward.
November 07 Kilo, the
Forward.
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 At 1,000.
Hold it here. Hold it right here. Right here.
Just let me know.
We're looking for 70.
Yeah.
70. Okay, positive.
I'll make west of the
medium
river
pitch?
and we'll
Yeah.
over course circle 07 Kilo.
Positive rate.
Number tower says 67431, only short 26 left.
Flaps up.
Left up. Oh.
Crew track 201, Long Beach Tower, follow the Cessna upwind, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. Who's holding short 26 left with left close traffic?
Cessna 67431.
November 67431, Long Beach Tower, follow the Cessna on the upwind, runway 26 left.
You need to pitch forward more.
Take up 26 left.
Did you hear the stall horn?
48 Echo, runway
Yeah.
26 left, third line.
Runway 26 left, clear to land 48 Echo.
November 2 Whiskey Charlie, continue upwind.
Continue offing, 272 Charlie.
07 Kilo is making a left 90-degree turn.
November 07 Kilo, roger.
Long Beach Tower, Diamond Star 537 Mike Alpha, holding short 26 left or left at the river.
Diamond Star 537 Mike Alpha, Long Beach Tower, have your request, standby. Listen 37 X-ray, frequency change bridge. See you. November 2 Whiskey Charlie, turn crosswind.
Crosswind 272 Charlie. Left.
Diamond Star 7 Mike Alpha, left at the river is approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, 7 Mike Alpha.
November 37 Quebec, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, 37 Mike. Tower split 865 Sierra Lima on the ILS, full stop 30.
November 865 Sierra Lima, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear to land, hold short of runway 26 right for traffic.
Clear to land 30, we'll hold short of 26 right, 5 Lima. Tower, plan 31, holding short 26 left, ready for takeoff.
Descent 31, Long Beach Tower, stand by.
Alright, we'll do soft field landing.
Soft field landing.
Alright. You know how to do that?
Yep. We have more flare and don't full brake.
No, don't brake. So, approach speed's still 65.
Yeah.
In your approach, you're going to reduce the throttle, right, like normal. And then when you're in the flare,
November 07 Kilo,
you're going to add 50 or 100 power
1,400 type of
when you're nose up, right?
Looks like it's a helicopter.
That way you can cushion your descent.
07 Kilo, and we can,
So it's like you're going to be hanging on the prop a little bit, all right? So round out normal, in the flare, a small amount, about 100 RPM increase.
Welcome, November 37 Quebec, turn
And then keep the nose wheel off with the stick back.
31, runway 26 left, line up and wait, traffic on base.
Line up and wait 26 left, 131.
Just a 2 Whiskey Charlie, extend downwind.
Extend downwind 2 Whiskey Charlie.
Just a 431, extend downwind.
Extend downwind 431.
Just a 48 Echo, turn left Foxtrot 3, contact ground.
Turn left Foxtrot 3, contact ground 48 Echo.
Wind 31, left at the river's approved, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, 131.
November 37 Quebec, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
26 left, cleared to land, 616, Southern Quebec. Good afternoon, Long Beach Tower. You have Diamond Star 193 Charlie Alpha inbound over the Goodyear blimp. Information Alpha, looking for runway 26 left.
Diamond Star 193 Charlie Alpha, Long Beach Tower. Good afternoon. Enter a left downwind for runway 26 left.
Left downwind for runway 26 left. Thank you very much. 3 Charlie Alpha.
Welcome. November 2 Whiskey Charlie, base approved, runway 26 left, cleared for the option.
Runway 26 left, turn base to Whiskey Charlie.
And November 2 Whiskey Charlie, traffic is a swing, 2-mile final, runway 30, they will precede you.
Looking for traffic 27 Whiskey Charlie.
Did you read back your 26 left, cleared for the option?
Cessna 431, follow the Cessna ahead of you on base for number 2, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
I heard the land.
Number 2, 26
You
left.
heard left?
41.
Land. Clear to land.
Turn down. Final.
Wind 31, you can start southbound, turn now, and contact SoCal departure.
Turn to south over to SoCal, 431.
November 3 Charlie Alpha, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles, turning southbound, stationary 1,100.
Scanning for that traffic right now, 3 Charlie Alpha.
Low 110, left 10. We just power.
Cessna 37 Quebec, turn left, Foxtrot 4 and contact ground.
Foxtrot 4, contact ground, 616, Southern Quebec.
Diamond Star 7 Mike Alpha, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved from 7 Mike Alpha, thank you.
We'll do a stop, that way you can practice the takeoffs too.
Thank you very much, Diamond Star 3 Charlie Alpha.
Land with 30 degrees low.
30 degrees still, yeah.
Okay. Seven knots, left sorry.
Number 5 Sierra Lima, contact ground.
To ground for 5 Sierra Lima, good day.
Reduce power.
Hold it off, hold it off, hold it off, hold it off.
Oh.
Left wing down for the wind. Like this, still down. Like that. I'll go Foxtrot 3 and taxi back, okay?
Yep.
Flaps up.
November 2 Whiskey Charlie to left, Foxtrot 3 and contact ground.
Contact ground to 7 Whiskey Charlie.
Cool, my controls.
Air control.
Ground system 272 Whiskey Charlie, Foxtrot 3, taxi 26 left.
Number 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Ground, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
26 left via Foxtrot, 2 Whiskey Charlie. Laid out. Yep, you got that? Cool. Good. All right, we'll do another soft field takeoff, all right?
Yeah.
Long Beach ground.
I want you to put the nose forward.
Signature 26.
Yeah, you have to keep the nose off,
Long Beach ground,
but you gotta, we don't want to be sitting back like this, the stall horn going, right? Where we tail strike too, so. That was decent with the power, but get the wing over for the wind, okay?
Yeah.
All right, flaps 10.
Left 10.
Yep, confirmed. There we go. Always take a look outside to make sure. Good, flaps 10, yep.
Yeah.
Tower system 272, Whiskey Charlie, home short 26 left, close traffic. Your brakes.
My brake.
November 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Tower, follow the south upwind, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 26 left, clear to take off, 272 Whiskey Charlie. Light, camera, action.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 7240 Papa. Mount south of Queens Gate at 3,400 and bound for 26 left with Alpha.
November 3 Charlie Alpha, base approved, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Turning base right now, runway 26 left, clear to land, Charlie Alpha.
November 7240 Papa, Long Beach Tower, make left traffic, runway
Power
26
set.
left.
Power set.
Make left traffic, runway
Engines
26
to the
left.
green.
Temperature green, airspeed alive.
Airspeed alive.
Yep. 55.
Forward.
Rotate.
Forward, forward. Yes. Hold it here.
Yep.
Are you at 70 yet?
70. Left up.
No. Pitch up.
Pitch up. Or 76.
You want to go from 70 to pitch and accelerate 76. Then flaps up.
Okay.
All right. That's what the STM says.
Yep.
November 4 Sierra Papa, traffic over the Queen Mary as northbound type unknown. They're going to orbit over the Queen Mary at 2,000, new left-handed orbits at your at 10 o'clock and about 1 mile, 2,100 indicated. Just stay east of the Queen Mary for them, please.
Stand east of Queen Mary, traffic sign 7240 Papa.
Perfect.
Yep.
Over the Queens Gate, 1,300, left with Alpha.
Cherokee 4390 Sierra Long Beach Tower, make left traffic, runway 26 left.
Left traffic, left
And grab 10. Route.
November 431, extend downwind traffic will depart runway 30.
Stand downwind, 401.
Level 5, pitch, power,
November 2 Whiskey Charlie, extend downwind.
extend downwind to Charlie, deplaning checklist, in LIDAR, carpet off,
Damage 3 Charlie Alpha, contact ground.
Over the ground, Charlie Alpha, thank you very much.
deplaning checklist complete.
Huh?
November 431, turn base, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Turn base, 26 left, clear for the option, 421.
Soft tail landing.
Still another soft field.
Cessna 2 Whiskey Charlie, follow the Cessna ahead of you on base for number 2, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Follow the Cessna, runway 26 left, clear the option, 2 Whiskey Charlie.
Tower November 6289 Echo was out here over the Queen Mary. Doing a little air work to monitor this frequency.
November 6289 Echo, Long Beach Tower. Long Beach altimeter is 3005. Report clear.
Roger, I'm with Alpha, and eventually I'm going to do an over the top above 2000 to join 26 right, identical.
Wait, Echo, Roger, just let me know when you want to go ahead and transition over to that side.
Roger, full report, the shoreline inbound, identical.
Just the 4 Sierra Papa, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, 4 Sierra Papa.
Low 1 tank left 10.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 646 Charlie Bravo, established on ILS runway 30.
November 646 Charlie Bravo, Long Beach Tower, runway 30 clear to land, and hold short of runway 26 right for traffic.
Runway 30 clear to land, hold short of runway 26 right for traffic, 6 Charlie Bravo.
Roll out. And 85 left 10 in, and roll in.
Cherokee 900 Sierra, extend downwind.
knots, left sorry.
November 89 Echo, there's traffic off your right side, 2,200 indicated, type unknown, they're eastbound.
Roger, inside 8 Nicole. Long Beach Tower, you have Diamond Star 193 Charlie Alpha holding chart 26 left, looking for traffic back.
Diamond Star 193 Charlie Alpha, Long Beach Tower, stand by for landing traffic.
Number 6227 X-ray at 1,800 feet over the Queen Mary, looking to come in on runway 26 left with information after.
November 6337 X-ray, Long Beach Tower, make left traffic, runway 26 left.
Traffic runway 26 left, with X-ray.
This is 431, contact ground.
Contact ground, 431.
November 4 Sierra Papa, turn base and continue, traffic will be holding in position.
Turn base, 724 Sierra Papa.
Long Tower, Cherokee 43900, radio check.
Cherokee 900 Sierra, read you loud and clear, turn base at the 605 freeway.
Turn base 605 freeway, 900.
Cherokee 900 Sierra, I'm not getting a good transmission from you. Turn base at the 605 and confirm, please.
Turn base 605, 900.
Thank you. November 6 Charlie Bravo, there's traffic turning about a 2.5 to 3 mile final for 26 bumps of Cessna. You're going to proceed them to the intersection.
6 Charlie Bravo. Long Beach Tower, Southwest 1349, sit down the ILS, runway 30.
Southwest 1349, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear to land.
Clear to land 30, Southwest 1349. Long Beach Tower, good track 379, hold short of 26 left close traffic.
Diamond Star 3 Charlie Alpha,
little more power, little more power.
Traffic is on a 2 mile final.
Keep the nose wheel up, yes, reduce power, reduce power. Hold the nose up.
379, Long Beach Tower, stand by.
Good. Now you can let down, brake. Now we'll go Foxtrot 4, my controls.
Your control.
Cherokee 900 Sierra, turn base.
That was very good.
Good?
Very good.
So 2 Whiskey Charlie, turn on Foxtrot 4 on contact ground.
Foxtrot 4 ground, 2 Whiskey Charlie.
Diamond Star 3 Charlie.
Ground Southwest 2203, like to push gate 6 with Alpha.
Southwest 2203, Long Beach ground, push approved.
Push approved, thanks, Alpha 2203.
Ground, Cessna 272 Whiskey Charlie, Foxtrot 4, taxi 26 left.
Number 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach ground, after the Cessna, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
After the Cessna, 26 left via Foxtrot, 2 Whiskey Charlie. Yeah, that was good. You could have let it come down a little bit more than the power, but that was the right idea. Did you feel the difference there?
Yeah.
You were just kind of hanging on the prop?
Cessna 92069 OCR ready to taxi with a run-up.
Then I think I made
Number
balloon.
2069 Long Beach ground.
You think what?
I think I made the balloon.
Taxi.
Balloon?
Yeah, last landing.
Oh, on the first one?
Yeah. No. Just last landing.
This one, balloon?
Yeah, balloon.
You could have let it come down a little bit more because you were a little nose high a little early, but you used power to slow down your descent, so it was okay.
Oh.
Yeah, and once you touched down, at one point we were a little bit like this, but you fixed it with the ailerons. The wing was up a little bit.
Yeah.
You fixed it, and then you held the nose off. So that's how you got to do it.
Okay.
It's more difficult with the winds, but that was much better.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Long Beach ground, clear track 473 at signature.
All right, I want to do another soft field takeoff.
Clear track 473,
and a short field
wait
landing.
for the
Soft
red Cessna, then runway 26 left, taxi to Foxtrot.
So don't flaps up until we 200 feet, and you've already said positive rate and VY, right? Okay. STM, followed by the STM.
40 Papa.
Tower Cessna 272, Whiskey Charlie, sequence 26 left, close traffic.
Number 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Tower, stand by your number 2 for departure.
Copy. Alright, your controls.
Michael, break.
Where's my Gatorade at? Nope. Did I finish my Gatorade? Yeah, it's alright. Throw me that water. Yep, thank you.
Cessna 1 Mike Echo, runway 26 left, line up and wait, traffic downwind.
26 left, line up and wait, 1 Mike Echo.
Cherokee 900, turn left, Foxtrot 4, contact ground. Southwest 1349, turn right kilo and contact ground.
Kilo to ground, Southwest 1349.
November 1 Mike Echo, straight out is approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Alright.
Straight out, 26 left, clear for
Left
takeoff,
10.
1 Mike Echo.
November 37 X-ray, base at your discretion, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left, 37 X-ray.
Cessna 2 Whiskey Charlie, the traffic ahead is departing straight out. Left closed traffic's approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 26 left, clear to take off. Cessna 2 Whiskey Charlie.
Diameter 3 Charlie Alpha, follow the fast ahead of you on base. Your number 2, runway 26 left, clear for the option. Diameter 3 Charlie Alpha, you're following us fast ahead into your left, base the final. Number 2, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Number 2, clear for the option, following that Cessna. 26 left.
Filter for open.
Crew track 379, follow the Diamond Star down one ahead. You are number 3, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Number 3, 26 left, clear for the option for track 379. Long Beach Tower, crew check 488 is over the Queen Gate, requesting 26 left, full
Tower
stop.
set, engine.
Crew check 488, Long Beach
pitch
Tower,
forward,
make left
pitch
traffic,
forward,
runway
pitch
26
forward,
left.
forward. Hold it there, right above the ground.
Yep.
More forward, more forward. You want to see 70?
70 knots.
Pitch.
Up.
Okay. Then we want to 76.
76.
Pitch forward.
4.
Positive rate.
Yep.
Try to pitch forward a little more. Flaps up.
And flaps up.
There you go.
You mean that when the indicator indicates 76?
That's what the STM says, yeah.
Yeah.
2 Whiskey Charlie, turn crosswind.
Turn crosswind 26 Charlie.
Crew track 488, traffic is 11 o'clock, 2 miles northbound. They're going to go to the other runway at 2000 as a Cessna, I believe.
I have them inside crew track 488.
November 1 Mike Echo, frequency change.
Frequency change, 1 Mike Echo, have a good day.
You too, thank you.
We Tower, Cessna 733 Whiskey Mike, over Queen Gate, 1500 feet, runway 26 left, with information Alpha.
November 733 Whiskey Mike, Long Beach Tower, make left traffic, runway 26 left.
Make left traffic,
November Crew track 48, start to descend to pattern altitude, please. That's Cessna at 2100 turning northbound.
I'm on my way down, crew track 48.
Thanks. November 37 X-ray, contact ground. November 2 Whiskey Charlie, extend down.
Extend downwind to Whiskey Charlie. 1100 feet. Level flat. Pitch. Power. 3.
Crew track 48, you're following a Cessna directly over Signal Hill and the downwind at 1100 eastbound.
I have them inside crew track 48.
Before landing checklist, landing light on, carpet on, reach your reach, fuel category both. Before landing checklist complete. And what is my touchdown point?
Let's use the numbers.
Number, okay.
So 2 Whiskey Charlie, follow a Cessna on a 1 mile final. You're number 2, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Following Cessna, runway 26 left, clear the option, 2 Whiskey Charlie.
Crew track 488, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, crew track 488.
90 knots, left time. Left turn. Route and 85 knots left turning. For wind. And 70 knots left, sorry. Pitch for 60.
Okay.
Okay. Reduce power.
And number 3 Charlie Alpha, your crosswind is approved. You're going to follow a Cessna. They are just approaching Signal Hill at 1000.
Roger that, turning crosswind down. We'll keep an eye out for them following up for 26 left.
Crew track 48, base approved. Continue. Traffic will be holding in position.
Base approved. Crew 26 left, crew track 488.
November 3 Whiskey Mike, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, 3 Whiskey Mike. Tower 92069, hold short 26 left, left turn to the river, please.
November 92069, Long Beach Tower, standby.
Long Beach Tower, crew track 473, holding short 26 left, left close traffic for a couple laps.
Right. Crew track 473, Long Beach Tower, standby.
Alright.
November 069, runway 26 left, line up and wait. Traffic on a 1 mile base.
Line up and wait, 26 left.
Flaps up.
069.
Flaps up. Simulate max braking.
Yeah.
Good. Roll to Foxtrot 3.
Yep.
Little throttle, throttle.
I think it's much better than yesterday.
Tower, Flint 36, 2,700 descending. Probably about 5 miles north of Low Sail for 26 left. I've got Alpha.
Citizen 2 Whiskey Charlie to left Foxtrot 3 and contact ground.
Contact ground to Whiskey Charlie.
November 069er, left at the river is approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left,
Long
clear
Beach
for takeoff,
or
0600.
We'll do
Clear
another one.
488, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 26 left, protect 488.
Long Beach ground Cessna 27 to Whiskey Charlie. Foxtrot 3, request to taxi 26 left.
Number 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach ground, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
Runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot to Whiskey Charlie.
Don't forget all that.
Yep. And opening. Maturing.
Yeah, better than yesterday for sure. On a very short final, your STM wants you coming in at 55.
55.
On the short field, yeah. So we'll try that.
Okay.
So just be ready with the power should you start to hear any horn or anything. Also, let's try a short field takeoff.
Short field takeoff.
Yep. I think the STM has you rotate at 51.
51.
Accelerate and climb at 55.
Number 08 Echo, center line approved.
Okay.
But you're going to check the STM later too, but I think that's what it says.
Long Beach.
Tech ground.
Over to ground, protect 488, have a great day.
You too, thanks.
Tower 06, like early left turn.
Before you call
Clear
them,
track 3,
how do you set the flaps?
73, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
For takeoff, career check 473, runway 26 left.
November 069er, left turn approved.
And then
Left
check.
turn approved, 069, thanks.
November 3 Whiskey
Good.
Mike, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 clear to 3 Whiskey.
November 3 Charlie Alpha, I'm going to have you go past the 605 for space, and so just continue down one, please.
Is that for 3 Charlie Alpha?
Affirmative. 3 Charlie Alpha, just go past the 605 on the downwind. I will call your base. You're going to follow a stationaire. They're approaching the 605 from the east at 900 reporting site.
Roger that, scanning for that traffic, and then you'll call my base.
Flynn 36, runway 26 left, cleared to land.
26 left, clear to land, 136.
Long Beach Tower Cessna 27 to Whiskey Charlie, holding short, runway 26 left, request make left traffic.
November 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Tower, standby. November 4 Charlie Victor, enter left downwind, runway 26 left.
Hey, left downwind for 26 left for Charlie Victor.
Diamond 3 Charlie Alpha, stationaire just passed off your left side at 1000.
Copy, site.
3 Charlie Alpha, base at your discretion to follow that traffic, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Roger that, base my discretion, 26 left, clear to land.
Crew track 379, follow the Diamond Star ahead. You need to go past the 605, that is approved. Runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Roger, follow the traffic, 26 left, clear for the option for track 379.
November 3 Whiskey Mike, contact ground.
On the ground, 3 Mike.
So it's 2 Whiskey Charlie, left close traffic approved. Runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 26 left, clear to take off to 7 to Whiskey Charlie.
November 069er, frequency change approved.
Alright, thank you, sir. Talk to you a little bit, 069.
Yeah.
Roll out, save much runway as possible.
Yep.
There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left. Okay, hold the brakes real quick. Go, go, go. Power set, power set, power set.
Power set.
Go, power set. Hold the brakes.
Your brake.
Engine instruments check. Airspeed alive, let it roll.
Let's roll. Deter and ailerons from it.
Career track 473, extend down.
Airspeed
Sending
alive.
downwind, career track 473.
31 rotate.
Yep, accelerate to 55
55.
and climb at 55.
November 4 Charlie Victor, there's traffic slightly off your right, less than a mile southbound, 1,900.
Pitch for VY.
We want.
Hey, we got it. Site for Charlie Victor.
Thanks.
Long Beach Tower, sector 73 off the Gulf, over the oil well.
So I want you to say VY, flaps up.
November 783 Delta Golf, Long Beach Tower, fly to the Queen Mary, and then make left traffic, runway 26 left.
Fly to the Queen Mary, making left traffic on 26 left. 3 Delta Golf.
Whiskey Charlie, turn crosswind now.
Turn crosswind 272 Whiskey Charlie.
November 4 Charlie Victor, your traffic to follow is 11 to 12 o'clock, 2 miles. They're on an early crosswind turn out of 600 to Cessna.
Okay, looking for traffic, 4 Charlie Victor.
Slim 36, contact ground.
Over to ground, 436.
Red sun. Roll out.
Alright, one more short field landing.
Yep.
November 3 Delta Golf, start a left turn, direct to Signal Hill for left traffic, runway 26 left.
1100 feet, level flight.
Left turn for Signal Hill, left traffic, 26 left, Delta Golf.
Delta 2 Whiskey Charlie, extend downwind.
Extend downwind to Whiskey Charlie.
This tower is tracking 926, Tango holding short around 26, because left side to leeway.
Cherokee 9260 Tango, Long Beach Tower, standby. Career track 379, traffic will depart runway 30 prior to a Boeing 737. Career track 473, turn base and continue traffic will be holding in position.
Turn base now, career track 473.
November 3 Delta Golf, you are following a Cessna, 12 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound at 1,200.
Following Cessna at 1,200, Delta Golf.
November 4 Charlie Victor, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, 4 Charlie Victor. Charlie Alpha is extra Foxtrot 4.
Damage has Charlie Alpha, contact ground, thanks.
Over to ground, thank you very much, have a good day.
You too.
Approach with 55.
Short final 65.
Yep.
So you'll go 65, slow down to 60, and then very short final 55.
Okay.
Long Beach Tower, career track 1135, holding short 26 left, request left close traffic with short delay.
Career track 1135, Long Beach Tower, standby.
Long Beach Tower, Cherokee 8408 Echo, ready for takeoff and sequence, request search and contact.
Cherokee 60 Tango, runway 26 left, line up and wait, traffic on the final.
Charlie, particular line up and wait, it's for traffic, please take up.
Cherokee 8408 Echo, Long Beach Tower, standby.
Long Beach Tower, career track 700, 3 miles south of the Queen Mary, runway 26 left, with information Bravo.
Career track 379, contact ground.
379 over the ground.
Cherokee 60 Tango, left at the river's approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff, that time to leave out.
Delta 2 Whiskey Charlie, turn base.
Turn base to Whiskey Charlie.
Career track 473, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 265, career track 473.
Career track 700, Long Beach Tower, make left traffic, runway 26 left.
Left traffic, 26 left, career track 700.
System 3 Delta Golf, extend downwind.
Extending downwind, 3 Delta Golf.
Roll out. Rolling.
This is 4 Charlie Victor, turn base at the 605 freeway.
Base 605, 4 Charlie Victor.
This is 3 Delta Golf, turn base at the 605 freeway.
Turning base at 605 freeway, Delta Golf.
knots, left 20.
Crew track 1135, runway 26 left, line up and wait. Traffic is on a 2-mile plan.
26 left, line up and wait, crew track 1135.
And 70 knots, flap sorry. Pitch for 60.
Crew track 1135, follow the Cessna on the upwind, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Faster. Pitch forward.
26 left, clear for takeoff, track 1135.
November 2 Whiskey Charlie, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
1826 left, clear the option, 27 Whiskey Charlie.
Crew track 700, extend downwind.
65 around.
Extend it downwind, crew track 700. Long Beach Tower, crew track 473. Can we get left at the river?
Crew track 473, left at the river's approved.
Left at the river approved, crew track 473.
Still 65.
65.
Crew track 473, there's traffic heading to right, left at the river as well, 1,300. So that traffic, just go ahead and start your southbound turn.
We're looking for traffic and starting that southbound, crew track 473.
Crew track 1135, the Cessna heading on the crosswind turn, they're actually going to depart to the south. So crosswind turns at your discretion. I will call your base.
We just called.
Crosswind turn at discretion, you'll call your base, crew track 1135.
Alright, you can start slowing to 60.
Tower Skyhawk 628, echo over of Queen Mary 2,300 requesting over the top 2,000 or better for right downwind 326 right.
November 89 Echo, contact tower on 120.5.
Over to 25.
Slow power.
Slow down. Slow down to 55.
229 Whiskey Charlie, one short of runway 26 left, for left at the river.
So it's 229 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Tower, standby.
Reduce power, reduce power.
Just 4 Charlie Victor, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 4 Charlie Victor, 26 left.
November 3 Delta Golf, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Down, flaps up, flaps up.
26 left, Delta Golf.
Crew track 700,
Good.
turn base at the 605 freeway.
That was much better.
Say 605, crew track 700.
Cherokee 60 Tango, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 60 Tango.
So it's a 2 Whiskey Charlie, contact ground.
Contact ground to Whiskey Charlie.
6905 Delta.
Where do we go?
Flying club.
Flying club, okay. The April engine check wrist, and the line off. Carpeting flaps up, mixture lean. And flaps up, take off. Trim take off. Transponder on the standby, clear. Contact ground. Long Beach ground, Cessna 272 Whiskey Charlie, Foxtrot 3, request taxi, Long Beach Flying Club.
Number 272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Grand, takes to be a Foxtrot at parking.
Long Beach Flying Club, taxi via Foxtrot 272 Whiskey Charlie.
Down, 5199 Juliet, off runway 26 right, Kilo 2, request taxi millionaire north.
5199 Juliet, Long Beach Grand, takes to be a Kilo Millionaire, good day.
Kilo be a millionaire, or other way around, not Juliet, have a good one.
See you.
Long Beach ground, Cessna 24 Charlie Victor, clear 26 left, 3, signature.
Number 24 Charlie Victor, Long Beach Grand, takes to be a Foxtrot at signature, good day.
Foxtrot signature, good day, 24 Charlie Victor.
거기서 어쩌냐 이 뽕아. Fuel tank is in front of...
More right.
More right?
There you go.
Yep. And
Shut it down. Alright, that's good.
Yep. Rider needs to cut off. Engine shutdown checklist, parking brake set, skip.
Long Beach ground, Cessna 72 at the Gulf, off 26 left.